Hey, good morning. It's your boy Lawrence Cain Jr. Welcome to Money Mondays. It's been a while, but we've been building. We want to definitely keep this going. We want to start talking about really paying off your debt. That's what these next episodes will be about. So today we're going to talk about student loan debt. So man, if you're like me, you went to college. Unfortunately, I didn't apply for any scholarships, like not a single one, not even a $50 scholarship, and I ended up having to pay, take out student loans. And I'm grateful for my education. I met a lot of good people. I actually was able to connect with some people I graduated with a few weeks ago, and look at getting some things together with Abundance University. So at the end of the day, you just got, it is one of those it is what it is type of debts. They're not going anywhere. I mean, unless for a situation where you work for a nonprofit, you can look at getting student loan forgiveness. But what you want to do let's just get to the point. We need to pay off these student loan debts. You don't want your kid to be 18 years old, about to go to college, and you're still paying off your student loans. Like that's just irrational at this point in 2016, when we can easily get it paid off by some hard work. So main thing you need to do is really look at the balances, the interest rates, and how long the term is. Most student loan terms are 10 years. Some can be as high as 15 or 20. So you want to write them down from the biggest balance. Forget the interest rate at this point. The biggest balance, or the smallest balance, the smallest balance, and then you get to the largest balance towards the end. And then what that does is you can actually look at which ones you can pay off within the next 12 months. That should be your focus. Pay off as many student loans in the next 12 months. And how do you do that? Well, you look at your spending habits, and you try to apply about $50 to an extra $100 to that smallest balance. You get that paid off. Then whatever you were paying for that, you snowball it back into the second smallest. You keep doing that, and look at different ways to make money. It's about to be the holiday season, so a lot of people get second jobs for the holidays. You get a second job to pay off your debt faster. I'm not a fan of second jobs. I'm not. But if you're looking at being financially successful, it may be an option for you. You may have time to where you can do it. So we got to get the student loans out of here. We have to. And if you're looking at going back to school, try to go back to school with taking out the least amount of student loans possible. Now, a lot of people ask me about student loan consolidation. Is it good for you? Is it not? I personally believe that everything that you do with your debt should be beneficial to your cash flow, monthly cash flow, and paying the least amount of interest. So if you can do that with a consolidation loan, then by all means go for it. But if you line up your student loans from smallest to largest and look at erasing those small ones as fast as possible and roll all of those balances over to the biggest ones, you can get your student loans that wiped out faster than normal. So remember, do it as soon as possible. Today, I want you to go look at your balances, whether it's with Navient, Department of Ed, whoever it is. Even if you have private loans through a bank, look at your balances, write them down. Don't just look at it, don't screenshot it, write it down. And then you look at what you can do to knock off those smaller balances. So again, it's Lawrence Cain Jr., another edition of Money Mondays. Remember, financial success, it happens on purpose. God bless.